Are markets spooked by the idea of another pandemic? Markets saw a sharp drop in midday trade. The VIX, which is the volatility index, also going up sharply. Well, one of the reasons could be news of the first case of the HMPV virus being detected in India. The human metapneumovirus is a new kind of virus. First reports coming in from China. And on Monday morning, there were now reports that an 8-month-old baby in Bengaluru is the first detected case in India. Now, why are markets worried about this virus? Now, to be clear and fair, so far there are no clear indicators that this could turn into another COVID-19 pandemic across the world. But having said that, because there is such a lack of clear information or transparent and trustworthy information coming in from China, these concerns persist. Now, I spoke with Dr. Rakesh Verma, he's principal consultant at the Directorate General of Health Services, and what he explained is that even though this particular virus, HMPV, has been around for many years, this is a concern right now because of mutations that the virus has undergone. Many of its symptoms are similar to what COVID-19 is. It affects respiratory systems in the body, shortness of breath, etc., etc. And as always is with these viruses, those with compromised immunity are more at risk. It also passes on from one person to the other in the same way through droplets, sneezing, etc. So the same precautions need to be kept: hand washing, masks, stay at a distance from those who are showing any symptoms of flu, etc. All of that is in place. But why are markets worried? Perhaps because right now there is no clear test for this particular virus. The PCR test can still be used, but it needs to be tweaked to detect this particular virus. There is no vaccine in place so far, and the treatment includes treatment of symptoms. Now, from what I've learned speaking to experts is this could go either way. This could get isolated to this one case. There might be very few cases, but seeing what we have all experienced in 2019, that fear is perhaps what is causing markets to drop in trade today, with a concern that this could turn into another pandemic which will have huge economic repercussions. The other thing to remember, though, of course, as far as the markets drop is concerned, that ahead of the Q3 season, which kicks off from the 6th of Jan, and of course the big results this week include TCS and DMart, etc., is seeing a bit of a sell-off ahead of those numbers coming in. Business updates so far have been mixed, and that could be a contributing factor. But looking at the sharp drop after the first leg of trade can indicate that perhaps the virus and fears of a virus is something that is weighing on mind of markets as well.